In this section, we're gonna discuss about the commands, Redis commands relevant to strings. First of all, the append command appends a value to a key. If key already exists and is a string, this command appends the value at the end of the string. If key does not exist, it is created and set as an empty string. At first run the command exists db name key. It returns 1, so it is already created. Another exists command data name. It returns integer 0. There is no key named data name. Then append command data name key value first data, and it returns integer 10, means this data has 10 characters. And append data name second data, then get key. It returns first data semicolon second data. In the previous example, we already utilized another command, that is get command. What does the get command? Get command get the value of a key. While get command run, if the key doesn't exist, the special value nil is returned. For example, if you run get data name 2, then it returns nil. Another command is decr, decrement the integer value of a key by ones. Decrements are numbers stored at key by 1. If the key does not exist, it is set to 0 before performing the operation. An error is returned if the key contains a value of the wrong type or contains a string that cannot be represented as an integer. The operation is limited 64-bit signed integer. Set my key 5. If you run decr, decrement my key, then it returns 4. If you run get my key, it returns 4. Next command decr by decrements the number stored at key by decrement value. If the key does not exist, it is set to 0 before performing the operation. An error is returned if the key contains a value of the wrong type or contains a string that cannot be represented as integer. decr get my key, it returns 4. If you decrement this by 2, then get my key, it returns 2. Next command we learn the incr key. The incr key increments the integer value of key by 1. For example, here incr my key, then it increments by 1. Get my key, then it returns 3, incremented by 1. Another command is incr by. Incr by increment the integer value of a key by the given amount. For example, if we incr by this key, my key, by 12, then it will be increased by 12. Now the value of my key. Next, the set command. The set command set the string value of a key. The set key to hold the string value. If key already holds a value, it is overwritten regardless of its type. Any previous time to live associated with the key is discarded on the successful set operation. For example, here set my key high, then it returns OK. That means that the previous value has gone. Get my key returns high. So be careful when using the set command. If the key already holds a value, it is overwritten. Now another command, another string relevant command, strlen, gets the length of the value stored in a key. The strlen key command returns the length of the string value stored at key. An array is returned when key holds a non-string value. For example, here my key holds a string value. If we run the command strlen my key, it returns 2.